Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how I got demonetized on my channel. And this happened last month, October. And it was really disheartening, like I wasn't happy at all. Because I was like, why will YouTube send me a video that my video, I'm no more under YouTube partnership? And the reason is I was told I use reuse content on my channel. And I know that this Tech with Bumi's channel, I show my face and all the content on this channel are my personal videos that I scripted and I bring out to you. They all I've tried and I bring out to you to lecture to the world. So in this video today, I'm going to be giving us some tips and guideline on how to go about it. Okay, how to appeal a video to YouTube if YouTube actually sent you something like this email here, because I got this email sometimes around, I think, October 20 something. I can't remember. I'm going to put it in this video. And I was actually reluctant to appeal. So I reached out to somebody. God bless that lady. Her name is TY Vlogs. I reached out to her and she sent me a template. And I used the template. I used it to appeal for my video. I actually appealed on a Friday, which is October 24th, if I'm correct. Yeah, I appealed on a Friday. I'm going to be putting the pictures in these videos, okay? I appealed on a Friday, like around 10:30 p.m. I'd already given up. I just said, let me just appeal, And guess what? Under 48 hours, I got an approval back and my channel was brought back to me. My channel was actually monetized. And I'm sure a lot of us will be going through these issues because I don't know, YouTube has been ups and downs. They've been reviewing a lot of channels recently and people have been losing their YouTube partnership. I just want to tell you in this video that do not be afraid to appeal for your video if you are very sure that you're not using any reused content, okay? So the next video you're going to be watching now is the video I sent to YouTube. I'm sure somebody will need this video. Please share out this video, subscribe, and like this video. Somebody is going to need this video and watch to the end because I have some other tips I want to give us in this video. Thank you. My YouTube URL, and I'm going to be demonstrating my video in English. My channel name is TechwithBunmi ZMX, and my handle is at TechwithBunmi ZMX. And as you can see, this is my channel was demonetized. I got an email October 24, a few days ago. Hello YouTube, on the 24th of October, I received a message that my channel has been demonetized, like I'm no longer under the YouTube partnership and because of reused content. And I'm here to prove to YouTube that all the videos on this channel, they're my original content by showing you proof of it. Okay, so this from my content, I initially got monetized around June 2021, and in total I have, as at when I'm filming this video, I think I have 286 videos that I've filmed. Okay, and this particular video I filmed it on the 23rd of October, and I do my research. My channel is about digital marketing and tutorials, making tutorials on how to make money online and all that. So I make research, and my content are from if I want to put any music in my background, I use this copyright free content which is thematic, and it's been helping my videos also. And I'm going to be showing you some of the things I use in editing. I will be demonstrating it with my phone because I use my phone to edit. I use my phone to film. So I will be showing you the demonstration. I use UCut to edit all my videos. And I've started using UCut since 2020 that I started this YouTube channel. And I also use Canva to edit my videos, and I also give tutorials on Canva. And what I'm using to do screenshots with you right now, screen recording with you, is called Screen Power. It is usually called Screencamatic. I can't remember the full name, but now is called Screen Power. And as you can see, these are my, we can check from the voice, and the voice on in all these my videos that I've uploaded, they're all the same. And these are the voiceover that I do when I'm doing tutorials on my videos. These are most of the, and as you can see from here, it says I've done up to like 65 videos. Okay, because I want to make this video short, like 5 minutes, I won't be opening everything, but I use Screen Power for my screen recording. And now let me try and analyze some of the videos on my channel. Like I do my script writing. I Google search most of my tutorials, and I check my competitors also to know the type of videos I want to do. I do my topic, like my viral topic, to choose my topic, analytic, and all that. Okay, so this video I'm doing, if you check it, it is me that is inside, and this is my face, and it is me that is inside, and I do my research. I use TubeBuddy and I use VIQ for my videos also. Okay, so, and I put shots on my videos. Where I get my shots from, even if I want to post my shot, I get the videos from free places like Facebook, and I check it. Sometimes I put a voiceover on my, I put a voiceover, and if I don't put a voiceover there, I I put music from thematic. Okay, so if you scroll down, if you check most of my videos, you'll see that I'm the one that is in it, and is my voice that is there. And as you can see, I have 286 videos. Yeah, so I'm going to be giving a short brief about the UCall that I'm filming with. I'm going to be attaching it to this video. And if you scroll down to maybe 2021, you will see that I was once monetized. And if my channel is not compiling to YouTube partnership, I will be rejected. So I don't know why I was rejected, and I would appreciate it if you look into it. So this is my app, my editing app. It's called UCut, and I've been using UCut since 2020 that I started YouTube. And if I want to put a new project, I'm going to add a new project, and I'm going to be attaching all the videos I filmed initially. In this video, I said I filmed with my Samsung S22 Ultra. Okay, so I film with it and I start editing it from my phone. I edit with my phone and all that. So if I also want, these are some of the videos that I've edited so far, like this. This is a shot that I did. This is a shot that I did that I used in editing. And UCut, I've been using it since 2020, and this is what I use and I'm still using to edit my videos. Thank you. If you watched this video up to this moment, I want to say thank you. Please like this video, subscribe, and share out this video. Somebody definitely is going to be in need of this video, okay? And I'm going to give you some other tips that I learned while I was doing my appealing video. You have to be transparent to YouTube. And the moment you delete any of your videos, then you cannot appeal. The moment you get a letter from YouTube that you've been removed from the YouTube partnership program, then I would advise you not to delete any of your videos if you want to appeal for the for your channel, if you want to appeal your channel. Because if you delete any of the videos, then you are disqualified, and you're going to do a video like as if you are filming, and you're going to post the video as unlisted to YouTube. Then there's a way they're going, just follow the step under your YouTube studio, right? And you will put the link of your videos to YouTube, and they're going to tell you that your channel is under review. So you wait for the news that you got back your channel. I hope if you follow this procedure that I've given you, I pray and I hope that it's going to work for you and your channel will be returned back to you, because thank God YouTube is not only my source of income. I have other source of income. But for those that are depending on YouTube for their only source of income, then I will tell you to also look for other source of income in case something like this happens to your channel, because you will not be able to earn. Okay? I hope you got value from this channel. I remain Tech with Bumi, and I talk about online businesses. Okay? Watch out for my other of my videos. See you next time. Cheers. Bye. How the fuck did I do? Break me, I knew. Every time I said the real, scared you out my room. Missing that time for real, lying to you.